with prices starting from just rupees 13.66 lakh. This behind me is the Mahindra XUV7XO, and this is going to be an SUV which is hard to beat in the segment. Now, ever since Mahindra came up with the XUV nameplate, with the XUV500, they have just redefined the Indian mass market vehicles. The XUV500 just killed the D segment sedans, the likes of Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra and Toyota Corolla, because at that fantastic price tag, you got a 7-seater SUV. Then came the XUV700 in 2021, which was also a runaway success, and that again redefined the Indian mass market SUVs and offered fantastic value proposition. This now is the XUV7XO, which is basically the facelift of the XUV700, but they call it the 7XO. This is a petrol and diesel powered SUV, and the XEV9S, which we drove a couple of weeks ago, that is a pure electric vehicle. But then we know that the XEV9S is based on the XUV700 or XUV7XO, whatever you would like to call it. Now, in this video, we are going to focus on the design of this vehicle, the exterior design highlights, and in another video we will speak about the interior cabin, the space and the packaging, and then we will also have a detailed drive review video. So now is a good time to subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, so that every time we upload a content piece of such fantastic products here in the Indian market, you get a notification and then you can make an informed car buying decision. So let's begin the exterior review. So let's start with the front profile. Over here, a lot has changed, but the silhouette is still iconic and reminiscent of the XUV700. First, have a look at this headlamp unit. Here, the C-shaped LED DRLs, they now have a single LED DRL, not a twin LED DRL setup, and it is also tighter in the packaging. So it looks much sharper than the XUV700. I really like it. The headlamp unit overall is a nice and large unit, and it of course has a smoked effect over there, so it has a nice contrasting look, especially on lighter shades. Then you have bi-LED projector headlamps with this XUV7XO, and they also have booster lamp functionality. So these headlamps, they are going to ensure that you drive your car safely at night, especially when you encounter fog. So it's going to be very, very useful. This is how the headlamp looks like from dead center. Then lower down, you will notice you have these cube style LED fog lamps. They also double up as your cornering lamps, and it looks quite nice and unique, isn't it? But because it is exposed, I am worried about longevity, because a stone or a pebble being kicked up by the vehicle in front of you, it can directly damage the lights. Nevertheless, with cornering lamp functionality, this is going to also ensure road safety and better visibility. This is how the lamp setup looks like from the front end. Then have a look at the grille. Here you will notice you have the new Twin Peaks logo. Below that you have your camera for 360-degree camera support, and then you have this new grille with this XUV7XO. Here you will notice you have a lot of black elements, and then you have this satin finish, kind of a grey or dark silver finish over here, not really brushed finish. And then over here on this grille section you will have these lines, but that is just going to be very difficult to clean and maintain in your ownership cycle, especially when you're going out on long drives and a lot of dust just gets accumulated over there. Nevertheless, a very distinct front end compared to the XUV700. So this XUV7XO is going to be hard to miss. You will notice that this is the facelift version. This is the more modern variant version of this SUV. Then lower down, the bumper also has a skid plate effect in this contrast silver shade. Looks quite nice. And just have a look at the approach angle. There is generous ground clearance. Lower down on the bumper again, you have a lot of black plastic appliques. Here, this flat piece is going to house your ADAS radars. And then when you look at the bonnet, you will notice you have some very nice crease lines, some very well defined power bulges, which give the vehicle a nice stance overall from the front end. So the vehicle, this XUV7XO, it does look like a proper big SUV, and it is. This is a 7-seater family SUV, and the design does enough justice in terms of making it look butch and command and demand good presence on the streets. Then on the front windscreen, you will notice you have another camera. This of course is again for your ADAS setup. This color, this wine color, is my favorite. It looks very, very nice. Now some people in the Indian market want a black color, but the families don't allow, because black they think is not an auspicious color for whatever, superstitious beliefs that they might have. For them, this wine color is a fantastic choice because it looks very close to black. At night it is going to look just like black, but whenever the light shines through, it just shows off this wine shade. And I think it is a brilliant color to have in this segment. It also looks very rich and very classy. Now when you look at the side profile, over here very little has changed. So first, what you will notice, the dual tone alloy wheels. Here you are getting 19-inch alloy wheels with the top model of this XUV7XO. Have a look at the dual tone effect, and you have some cuts over here on the alloy wheels as well. Seat sport drive tires which are offered to you, and over the wheel, the cladding that you see, this is in gloss black. So that is going to take some effort in maintenance and upkeep in your ownership, especially in monsoon season, because the gloss applique for the body cladding, that might just get scratched very easily. Apart from the alloy wheels, on the side profile, there is nothing that has changed. So you do get the weather strip, which is in chrome, which is under the window lines, which you notice it runs from the front fender all the way till the tail lamp of this vehicle. So it enhances the overall stance and the length of this SUV. Then there is no dual tone effect as such. So the roof is in the body color, but you do have a large panoramic sunroof over here. The wing mirror though, it is in a contrast black shade, and you will see this more popping up when you have a lighter body color as your choice. This is that chrome weather strip, and then you will notice the D pillar is blacked out, C pillar is blacked out, B pillar is also blacked out, but the A pillar is in your body color. Then your door handles, they are power assisted, flush fitting door handles. Once your vehicle gains momentum, it starts picking up pace, the doors will flush fit, and you will also hear it on the inside. And they are very easy to grab onto and open the door, so not too difficult. And it looks nice, doesn't it, from the side profile. What I really like and appreciate is that with this facelift of the XUV700, in this XUV7XO, Mahindra has not tried too hard to maybe add certain appliques on the side or some decals which would look very cheesy and maybe not so classy. So this, I think, is a good looking SUV. Then let's move to the tail end of this vehicle. This is where the XUV7XO is very similar to the XEV XUV9S, which we reviewed recently, because the tail end almost has all the same features. So what you should see first is this tail lamp unit, LED tail lamp unit. And what I like is this honeycomb mesh kind of an effect. Very classy, very detailed, and it looks very nice. It wraps around this rear fender and this tailgate very neatly, very clean lines. But this thing over here, this applique, there is no connected LED tail lamp over here. This is a big black slab on the tailgate, and I think it's all right. A lot of people actually do not like connected LED tail lamps because they think it is a bit too flashy and it might actually be blinding to other road users who are following your vehicle. So it's not there on this car, but to each his own. Design and features are subjective. Now have a look at this spoiler. So you have this black applique, but up top you have the body color. Nice wraparound effect. Then you have a high mount stop lamp over here integrated in the spoiler. You have a shark fin antenna on top. You have a rear washer and wiper. This is your Twin Peaks Mahindra logo proudly sitting in the center. AX7L variant branding on the tailgate, and this is the new lettering, the new branding, XUV7XO. Then this tailgate is also heavily reprofiled, redesigned when you compare it with the XUV700, but compared to the XUV9S, like I said, it is very similar. Lower down on the bumper, on the rear bumper, you'll notice you have your reflectors and you have some nice textures. But again, here you will see a lot of dust and dirt get accumulated. You have parking sensors also, which are very nicely integrated. And just have a look at the departure angle, the ground clearance. This is what it looks like. And I think the overall exterior design of this Mahindra XUV7XO is inoffensive. Yes, Mahindra has some really bold designs, but this, in my opinion, is still more on the classier side, if I may say that. So, what do you think? Is this beautiful? Is this a good looking family SUV? Let's have a quick look at the glass sections. This is your front glass. The rear glass is also quite large, so a lot of light that is thrown inside the cabin. And even for the third row, the quarter glass here, it is really large. You can very clearly see inside the cabin from here. So there won't be any reason for claustrophobia. And also you have a large panoramic sunroof inside, so a lot of light gets thrown inside in the cabin. So it feels like a bright and airy SUV. But more on that in the interior review. So what do you think about the exterior design of this Mahindra XUV7XO? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. I think it is a rather good looking SUV, and for the mass market, for the family car buyer, this possibly is the best value proposition. If you have any other questions, ask me in the comments below and I will try my best to help you out. Do check out the interior review video as well. Until next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, and also always wear your seatbelts, drive safe.